Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What, it's more of a P.S.A. announcement for everybody. So here we have some brake fluid out of a 2010 vehicle. Now, in my opinion, I don't think this brake fluid has ever been changed. Why, you might ask? Well, let's get in there with the light. Usually, brake fluid is a nice yellow or clearish yellow or even clear. In our case, we got some Shrek piss going on here. And if you look any further, or a little further, you can see that there's floaties in there. This brake fluid, in my opinion, is original. And it's not looking good at all. And if your brake master cylinder has this in it, well, guess where else it is? It's in the brake lines, it's in the calipers, and you definitely do not want Shrek piss in your brake system. So, now, the big rule of thumb is every 2 years or 20,000 miles, whichever comes first, you want to do a full brake fluid exchange. It's routine maintenance. It's going to keep everything good. It's going to keep your fluid nice and fresh. Also, there are test strips that you could use to test the moisture content of the brake fluid. But if your fluid starts changing colors like this, and you could barely get light flowing through it, you know you're well overdue. And you can see it looks like, we'll move it. Look at that. You could see the floaties in this water, in this brake fluid. And that's horrible. That's definitely Shrek piss, and you do not want Shrek piss in your brake system. If you guys don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.